Hey there! Today we're diving into a coding problem that might just come up when working with C++14. The issue we're tackling revolves around the possibility of having a partial template specialization of a class template. Specifically, we're looking at a scenario where we have a generic class template that uses an std tuple container, but we want to specialize it to use an std array when all template parameters are of the same type. So, what's the solution to this problem? Well, we can actually handle it quite elegantly within the constraints of C++14. The key lies in using a set of helper functions in a detail namespace. We employ a constEx per function to determine if all the template parameters are of the same type. By cleverly leveraging std conditional_t, we can choose between using an std array or an std tuple based on the homogeneity of the types. This way, we achieve the desired behavior without needing to resort to template specialization. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the mechanics of the solution. We've set up a base class, generic_base, with two different specializations based on whether the types are the same or not. By extending this concept, we derive our main class, generic, and conditionally inherit from the appropriate base class. This approach allows us to keep the common logic in the base and encapsulate the specialized behavior as needed. In summary, we've tackled the problem of partial template specialization in C++14 by intelligently leveraging type traits, conditionals, and smart class design. By carefully structuring our classes and using conditional inheritance, we've achieved the desired behavior without having to resort to explicit template specialization. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Until next time, happy coding, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts below. Who knows, your comment might just make my tuple container hard array happy.